Hello, Three Leaves, Three Colors fans. I am Yoko Nishikawa. Together we are the Three Leaves, Three Colors gang. We are not bozos. Let's watch Six Hearts Princess instead. Yes. Now we have to wash Teru Hayama's clothes. Oh my god. Oh, Bianca. How dare you coolest bozos make us watch Luffy do vomit on Teru Hayama's clothes and say gibberish nonsense to us. You know that these things are so bad and they can get you arrested permanently. That's it. You're bad for Three Leaves, Three Colors World. Go to Pretty Rhythm Aurora Dream World right now. You're welcome.